Hari Om. Students, today your topic is sensitivity and conversion of galvanometer. As you know or look at the screen, there are two types of that is shown by the galvanometer. The first is current sensitivity and the second is voltage sensitivity. Current sensitivity. The current sensitivity of a galvanometer is defined as the deflection per unit current. That is, phi is equals to NAB by K into I, or phi by I, that is called current sensitivity, equals to NAB by K. The sensitivity can be increased each by increasing the number of turns of the coil. The voltage sensitivity of a galvanometer is defined as the deflection per unit voltage, that is phi barabar NAB by K into I, then phi by V, that is called voltage sensitivity, NAB by K into I by V, and V is equals to IR, then phi by V is equals to NAB by K into 1 by R. The accuracy of galvanometer depends on first है uniformity and second constancy of its magnetic field. ये दो पर डिपेंड करते हैं. अब है कन्वर्सन galvanometer to an ammeter. Ammeter is an instrument used to measure current flowing in the electric circuit. The ammeter must offer low resistance such that it will not change the current passing through it. So, ammeter is connected in series to measure the circuit current. Now, how it is converted? So you look here. A galvanometer is converted into an ammeter by connecting a low resistance in parallel with the galvanometer. This low resistance is called shunt resistance S. The scale is now calibrated in ampere and the range of ammeter depends on the values of the shunt resistance. As you find in the given figure, the current I reaches the point A and it is distributed in two parts, and these currents are distributed by Kirchhoff's first rule, that is called junction rule. Now we find the formula. Let G be the resistance of galvanometer, I be the maximum current to be measured by the ammeter, and Ig be the maximum current that can be passed through the galvanometer. Then I minus Ig is the current passing through the shunt S. Since G and S are in parallel combination, therefore PD across S equals to PD across G. Potential difference PD IR, so I minus IGS equals to IGG. Then S equals to IGG by I minus IG. ये फार्मूला हो गया जिससे हम लोग शंट रेजिस्टेंस का मान प्राप्त करेंगे. नाउ दिस इज द वैल्यू of shunt which is connected in parallel to the galvanometer, and this connection is converted into ammeter of range 0 to I amperes. The effective resistance RA of ammeter is given by 1 by RA 1 by G plus 1 by S। यहाँ पर पैरेलल कम्बिनेशन का हम लोग फार्मूला लगा दिए, RA बराबर GS by G plus S। So the resistance of ammeter is smaller than S. Since S is low resistance, resistance of ammeter RA is very low, and when it is connected in series in the circuits, it will not affect the current passing through the circuit। ठीक है। Now conversion of galvanometer to a voltmeter or galvanometer to a voltmeter। The first of all, you know about voltmeter। A voltmeter is an instrument used to measure potential difference across any 2 points in the electrical circuits। It should not draw any current from the circuit, otherwise the value of potential difference to be measured will change। ये उसके बारे में एक्सप्लेनेशन हुआ। Now voltmeter must have high resistance, and when it is connected in parallel, it will not draw appreciable current, so that it will indicate the true potential difference। आप देख रहे हैं फिगर में IG करंट पास हो रहा है, उससे एक्सटर्नल रेजिस्टेंस RS जोड़ दिया गया, तो रिजल्टेंट डिवाइस जो रेड कलर रेक्टेंगल में है पूरे का नाम हो गया वोल्टमीटर। नाउ फार्मूला, लेट G बी द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द गैल्वेनोमीटर and IG the maximum deflection in the galvanometer। To measure the maximum voltage V by the voltmeter, the high resistance R is connected in series, so V बराबर IR, तो V इक्वल्स टू IG R प्लस G टोटल रेजिस्टेंस। इसे R का मान निकाला गया V by IG माइनस G। दिस इक्वेशन gives the value of resistance R which connected in series to the galvanometer is converted into a voltmeter of range 0 to V volt। The effective resistance of the voltmeter RV R plus G because both are connected in series। तो सीरीज में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, दोनों को जोड़ देते हैं, so effective resistance हो गया R plus G। Since R is high, the resistance of voltmeter RV is high and it will not draw much current from the circuit। Now one more question that you see and solve, and then match your solution with the given solution। Thank you and best। Wait for next video, and you must thank you।